In front of me is VIVO V60 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display and Brightness. Then scroll again and this time click on Font and Display Size. Last but not least, operate this slider under font size to adjust it and check out preview at the top. Don't worry, I tested it, it will work. So when I go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!